We're planning a little boat trip here in a couple days. So about a week ago, I pulled the boat and the motor out to get everything ready. I tested the outboard, and the outboard is super hard to start. It's a Nissan 6 horsepower, 4-stroke, 4-cycle engine. That thing should start and run on like 1 pull, 2 pulls max. I've already tried run a bunch of seafoam through it for quite a long time. I think it did help with the seafoam, but it's still hard to start. I got the vent on my gas can open. I pumped the primer bulb up so there's fuel in the carburetor. I put the throttle to the start position and I pull the choke and start pulling. And last night I just tried this. It took like 8 pulls yesterday to get this going. So let's see what happens today. Alright, that's a little bit better. That was 6 pulls. It's better than I have gotten so far, but I've been playing with this thing for about a week. You can see once it runs absolutely beautiful, but 6 pulls, to me, that is unacceptable, not good enough. I want that thing to start on 1 or 2 pulls. Could be actually a safety issue if you're out in the ocean with one of these things. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull the carburetor off of this thing now. We're going to clean it today, and we're going to see if that helps. That was ridiculously easy to pull that carburetor off. I didn't even pull the outboard back in the shop. I just left it right where you guys saw it sitting. It's a 10mm wrench and 2 bolts. That's all it took to get that carburetor off. So here we are. Thank you for coming back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon, guys. I really appreciate it. Check my website out right there when you want, .com. Now, I know I jumped a little bit further ahead here. The only thing I've done to this since I got the carburetor off is just pull that float bowl off so I could have a look. This thing is so similar to a video I've already done called How to Clean a Honda Style Carburetor. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on this, how to clean one of these things, I got it up in the information button for you right here, as well as at the end of this video I got some clickable thumbnails there for you too. As a matter of fact, you know what, I'm going to put a bunch of other carburetor cleaning videos in there for you too while we're at it. But guess what? I just made a decision. I'm not going to clean it like that today. If this was somebody else's outboard and they were paying me to do it, I would clean every single bit of this just like I referred you to in that video. Look at that float bowl right there. Little bit of gunk in there. Not bad. I've seen way worse than that. And then you look at here, and there's the main jet right there. It's discolored. It looks a little bit green, but I know from experience that the most common problem for any kind of carburetor issues is just that main jet. So I am going to do something because this is my outboard. I'm going to do a little experiment. All I'm going to do is clean that bowl out, spray that bowl out with some carb cleaner, and just take my little micro drill bit set right here and just clean that main jet. I'm just going to run that drill bit. It's 13,000 inch drill bit. I'm going to run it through there and just clean that jet a little bit. I did actually feel some resistance when I first pushed that in there, so I think that main jet might have just been starting to close in a little bit with some corrosion and stuff. So all I did was open it back up a little bit where that corrosion was. That feels way freer now than when I just did that. All right, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. This is going to be a fun experiment. I'm going to put that all back together. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to take a little carb spray and just shoot it down there. as I'm cleaning that bowl out. Then we're going to put this back together and go put it back on the outboard and see what happens. Let's see if this makes a difference. All right, I just got her all buttoned back on there. Hopefully I did that right. You guys ready for this? Let's try it one more time. Take a minute to fill that carb up again. She's good. Oh, guys, I just love it when a plan comes together. Did you just see that? Now that's the way that thing should start right there. I got a lot more peace of mind now going out in the ocean with that thing when it starts like that. That is freaking beautiful. Give me that thumbs up button, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Put some comments down if you want to say something right underneath this video, and share this with your friends. That was cool, and it didn't take very much time at all. It only took maybe a half a beer. Till the next video, guys. Steve out.